New Mexico is officially nicknamed the Land of Enchantment for its scenic beauty, rich multicultural history, and various art forms. The Permian Basin in New Mexico is dotted with thousands of oil wells and includes some of the largest oil fields in the nation. Much of the state's income is derived from oil and gas. In this video, we look at the amazing mega construction projects underway in New Mexico. International Airport progresses. This project will improve the quality of life of the inhabitants of the center of the country and create 160,000 jobs during construction. The first phase will include the Terminal 1 building and 3 simultaneously operating runways to serve approximately 68 million passengers a year. It will have 2 terminal buildings and 6 runways to serve 125 million passengers a year. To date, over 40,000 direct and indirect jobs have been created. Once it begins operating, it will create approximately 450,000 jobs, making it the largest job creator in Latin America. It will also prevent urban sprawl and create green spaces through the new metropolitan forest, the recovery of an ecological zone, and the protection of vulnerable species. It will contribute to the social and economic development of the east zone of the Valley of Mexico, increasing the capacity to regulate water and preventing floods. The construction of water treatment plants and the covering of 18 kilometers of open-air drains. Major manufacturing facility was invested in the construction of an aluminum sheet rolling mill and recycling center in Valencia County, New Mexico. The group has signed a letter of intent to purchase a 1,300-acre parcel in Los Lunas, with construction set to start by late 2023 and manufacturing in 2026. The facility would be powered with 100% renewable energy from PNM and have the capacity to manufacture up to 1.3 billion pounds of aluminum annually, with plans to ensure 85% recycled content after the mill is fully operational. Over 950 jobs and investing more than $2 billion in the construction of an aluminum sheet rolling mill and recycling center in Valencia County, New Mexico. More than 950 jobs were created and more than $2 billion. Largest U.S. wind project. A wind farm comprised of 4 projects in central New Mexico, serving areas of that state and California, is now online and takes the title of the largest wind power installation in the U.S. The project features 377 G wind turbines ranging from 2.3 to 2.8 MW in size. This project is doing it all, creating good-paying jobs, providing clean power to New Mexico and beyond, and cutting emissions from the energy sector. Water infrastructure projects. Several projects that will benefit New Mexico are listed under Colorado's on the official sheet. These projects cross state lines. This includes $1.5 million to remove and replace the Azotea Tunnel outlet on the San Juan Chama project. The San Juan Chama project starts in Colorado and moves water from the Colorado River Basin to the Rio Grande Basin through a series of tunnels, including the Azotea Tunnel. The outlet of the Azotea Tunnel is on Jicarilla Apache land near Chama. This provides access to Colorado River Basin water for municipalities like Albuquerque. The Animas-La Plata project. The project will receive $10.8 million. This will be used to cover design, construction, compliance, and commissioning costs for the Navajo Nation municipal pipeline. The Animas-La Plata project includes Lake Nighthorse, which is located in Durango, Colo. Water that will benefit the Navajo Nation is stored in Lake Nighthorse. Currently, the only way to get water from Lake Nighthorse to Navajo Nation is to release it from the headgates into the Animas River. Speed up railway tracks. New Mexico Rail Runner Express Communications downtown Albuquerque station is where they see the most commuters. Once the Amtrak and the occasional freight trains come in, the flow of traffic can become slightly congested as trains have to take turns on the track. It's going to do a number of things to improve the rail runner experience, but more so to really help the flow of trains in the downtown corridor, which around 20 rail runner trains cross the station daily, carrying a current average of 2,000 people from Belen to Santa Fe. In your opinion, which of these projects would be the best in New Mexico? Are there projects we did not mention? Write it in the comments. Please share the video to reach as many viewers as possible. See you in the next video. Under God's care.